1 Week Glow Up Challenge. Hey, everyone, welcome to the 1 Week Glow Up Challenge. Whether you want to boost your skin, fitness, or overall vibe, follow along with these steps to look and feel your best by the end of the week. Let's get started. Day number 1. Setting goals and starting fresh. Day 1 is all about setting intentions. Write down your goals for the week. Think about what you want to improve, how you want to feel by the end of this challenge. Here are the following tips. Declutter your space. Set up a cozy self-care spot and commit to going all in for the next 7 days. Light a scented candle or use a diffuser to set a calming atmosphere. Place a small plant or fresh flowers on your desk for a natural touch of beauty. Day number 2. Skincare routine and extra hydration. Now we are focusing on skincare. Start with a gentle exfoliator to clear away dead skin. Follow up with a hydrating mask. Follow a simple morning and night skincare routine. Repeat this process throughout the week. Make sure that the products suit your skin type. Here are the following tips. Drink plenty of water for an extra hydration boost. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Try an overnight hydration mask to wake up with soft, dewy skin. Keep a face mist on hand to refresh your skin throughout the day. Day number 3. Hair care routine and scalp treatment. It's hair care day. Use a deep conditioning treatment. Also a hair mask to nourish your hair. A little self-care for your hair can boost your look and confidence. Here are the following tips. For a quick refresh, rinse hair with cold water to add shine. Avoid heat tools if possible to prevent further damage. Use a hydrating or protein hair mask to repair and strengthen. Use a scalp brush or gently massage with your fingers to boost circulation and promote healthy growth. Day number 4. Clean eating and hydration boost. To glow from the inside out, we're focusing on nutrition today. Include nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, berries, and avocados. Try to drink plenty of water. Also reduce sugar intake for the rest of the week. Here are the following tips. Try drinking a green juice or smoothie in the morning for an instant energy and glow boost. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks for this week. Add lemon or cucumber slices in water for extra refreshment. Day number 5. Fitness and mindful movement. Moving your body boosts energy. It also brings out your natural glow. Find an activity you enjoy. Whether it's running, yoga, exercise, or even a walk. Consistency, even for just 20 minutes, makes a difference. Here are the following tips. Make movement fun. Put on your favorite playlist and let loose. Consistency is key. Even 10 to 20 minutes of movement can make a difference. Mix cardio and strength exercises to tone your body and boost endorphins. Add a 5-minute stretch or cool down at the end to relax and recover. Day number 6. Self-care and mindfulness practice. Today's focus is self-care from the inside out. Take a few minutes on meditate and journal. Also reflect on things you're grateful for. A positive mindset is key to feeling your best. Here are the following tips. Practice self-compassion, especially if the week didn't go perfectly. Practice a simple breathing exercise. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. Do something relaxing, like reading or taking a bath, to de-stress. Day number 7. Style and confidence boost. On the final day, pull everything together. Choose an outfit that makes you feel confident. Add your favorite accessory or pop of color. Today's all about embracing your glow. Here are the following tips. Focus on what makes you feel confident and happy. Embrace your glow-up journey, every step has been worth it. Wear colors that are comfortable and bring out your natural features. Try a small change in your look, like parting your hair differently or adding a subtle touch of makeup. And there you have it, the 1-week glow-up challenge. I hope it was useful. See you all in the next video.